Well, good morning, viewers. Today we have a 2014, I believe it is, Acura RDX, and apparently has a noise in the drive line. I see it's got a check TPMS and service due. It's got 212,000 on it, and it says service is due at 211,923. That's minor. Let's take it for a road test and see if we can hear this noise. Didn't have to go very far. It sounds like brakes dragging or something. It's not making noise now. When I put my foot on the brake, it's making noise. Let's roll the window down. Sounds like the left front brake is steel on steel. Well, let's bring it back to the shop and put it up in the air and do a visual. It sounds like the wear sensor is squealing in reverse. Brake pedal feels normal. So hear the noise in reverse. That sounds like a brake pad. Well, let's put it up on the hoist and have a look. Well, this thing needs a brake job. The inboard brake pad is pretty low, but this side is better than the passenger side. Passenger side is down to steel. You can see the top of the brake pad there. And it needs rotors. Now, looking at the back brakes, the right rear looks fairly decent, except for the rusty rotor. But the left rear is very low. You can also see the rust on the edge of the rotor here, shiny. The inboard pad is almost completely worn out. So it needs a four-wheel brake job. Might need calipers in the rear because this side is worn significantly more than the passenger side. But we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Yeah, let's get some prices. Well, I managed to save the rear calipers. I like to paint the backing plates and the caliper brackets and clean the rust up as best as possible. Parking brakes are decent. Probably never been used. Got to change this caliper, actually both front calipers. Backing plate fell off on this side. You can see what's left of it down there. But that's more or less cosmetic. Shouldn't be a problem. So there's the new front calipers on. Bled the system. Put the summer wheels on. Torque the lug nuts. Got to check the brake fluid level. Yeah, it should be good.